In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install cheat menu mod in GTA Vice City Definitive Edition. Check my video description for these two mods download link. Once download done, double click on the setup exe and select yes option and select accept and select next. Select the browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the GTA Vice City Definitive Edition and select OK and select next. Next, install. Once this installation done, finish. I'll go on cheat menu and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this version folder. Right click on the game and select open file location. If you are in the game folder, you need to open game face, binaries, Win64, Clio, and drag and drop all these files inside the Clio folder. Replace the file in the destination and then launch the game. Once you are in game, press the F1 key to open up this menu. To show you guys it's working, wanted level, you can increase it, you can turn on the cheats, just check marking these options and go to car spawner sport. You can spawn the car you like. And to close this menu, press the F1 key. And I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.